guys.
That's awesome.
Day, what's in the box?
Tell him.
Day, what's in the box?
Don't ask me that. Hey guys, thanks for joining me again today. It is definitely time to start unboxing my birth supplies, my birth kit that I got from inhishandsbirthsupply.com. This is not a paid video. This is not sponsored. I bought all of these things myself. And it's time to see what's in the box because I'm in labor. Early stages of labor. So, first things first, we have a birthing pool that's not yet inflated, but that's soon to come. That came packaged separately. So the first thing we have in the box is a nice little labor prayer that's really nice to get you, centered and spiritual for the event to come. We have the supply list, which is important to make sure you have everything that you order in your box. A labor support guide for fathers, family, and friends. So whoever is supporting you during your birth, I'm sure this would be a great thing for them to read over, and we'll get to that. Next, we have what is this? Oh, a birth certificate. I don't know if this is like the official one, but maybe just something for just to stamp the birth. Oh, this. This is for when you poop or have something floating around in the tub that you just want to scoop out and, toss out of there. I don't know the official name for this, but it's like a little net, a fishing net that may come in handy. We also have 2 of these pads. So I don't know if you guys are that familiar with with the home birth, but things can get messy and you need a lot of covering for things. So I think these are just to place down to absorb any fluids and to soak up, that kind of stuff. I have some gauze sponges here, which can be for postpartum, I'm sure. Quite a few of these. An LED flashlight. So I put this on my birthing list because I didn't know if it would happen during the night or during the day, but if it did happen during the night, I wanted the pool to be illuminated with light. So it has different cool colors that will light up the pool and you can see all the cool stuff. Baby blankets to wrap the little one in, when they come out so they're not cold and they're protected. We have a bunch of maxi pads also for postpartum care. Organic cotton, of course. And I just have a few packs of these. I also recommend making with these pads, some padsicles to help heal the perineal area. And I also made some spray that would be really good to spray on it with all natural things, some aloe, witch hazel, and some essential oils. This is where we at it. Sweet, we have a little hose piece to go with the hose to fill up this big old birthing pool. Oh wait, what's that just fell out? diaper balm. So this is for baby if it happens to get any type of rash for the little bum. It's all organic by Earth Mama. I heard their products are really good, organic and natural. So we'll see how that works. Peri bottles. So these things you fill up with a nice solution to also help, you know, spray down there because you'll be healing. You don't want to wipe too vigorously, and you know, you can fill it up with healing herbs and stuff to help, you know, further get you going on this healing journey. So yeah, and you squirt, it cleanses you, keep you fresh down there. So I'm gonna put some good things in there. I have some third trimester tea. I should probably have this right now, right? Yeah, let's get that going. Yeah, third trimester tea. I also have some nice herbs for after. So this is the herbal after bath. I heard that in his hands, they really put together a really nice blend. And this is something that you boil and steep just like tea, but you add it to your bath to heal the perineal area as well. And it has lavender, shepherd's purse, plantain, red raspberry leaf, yarrow flowers, sea salt. So yeah, all good stuff. We have here, oh, I think this is the little newborn hats. Let's see. Yes. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Look at this. It's so tiny. Oh my gosh. It looks like a little condom. If it was a condom, we wouldn't be here in the first place. And then we have, oh, this is the mesh undies. But you know, I bought these just in case, but my intuition told me to go to Amazon, get some Depends because they're much more snug and more fitted. So when you have those pads in place, they're kind of not shifting to the side and you feel more supported with, you know, the underwear. These stretch really far and they're already bigger than my hips, so we'll see about those. We also have in this little bag, this was separately packaged inside of the box, so must be stuff that you use all together. This is lubricating jelly. I really don't even know what this is for, but whatever you need to lube up, get it nice and lathery. And a ton of alcohol pads to sterilize and cleanse things. So we have these and lubricant. And then we have a little measuring tape here to measure the length of baby. Sweet. Are you guys entertained? More maxi pads. Honestly, I don't know how long postpartum bleeding is, but I just wanted to be safe, just to be sure. We have latex sterile gloves for my partner when he helps deliver this thing. But you don't really have to wear gloves. And this is the deluxe foot printer. So every mom wants that little, what is it called?
Footprint?
No, like when you save things.
Keepsake.
Keepsakes, yeah. Pregnancy brain. So this would be nice, you know, to capture those first moments of baby and those little teeny cute feet. This is a pool liner that I would place inside of the pool just so it can be easier to clean, you know. Like, I definitely want to keep this pool for some time because it was expensive, and it's a nice pool just in case I have any more or I just want to just kick it in the pool. So this is a pool liner that would be great to protect the inside. Here we have an easy scrub. So after the baby is born, not the first 24 hours or maybe even 48 hours, you want to leave the Vernix on, which is that coating on their skin. But when it's time to give them a nice bath, this is good for their skin. And it's called the Easy Scrub. That's what it's called. Is that Navi? Wait, more plastic? Oh, this may be to cover the floor because things can get really slippery and slidey, and you know, we just want to protect the floor. Or I think we can even use this for the bed just to protect that area. If I want to lay down in the bed to birth the placenta, we have this so we won't mess up the sheets. This is really important. The pool electric inflator. Oh, and it deflates. Nice. I thought I was gonna have to buy a separate piece for that. So yeah, that will blow up the pool. And then I have this silicone breast pump. I forget the name of these things, but it just collects the milk when you're feeding from one side and if it's dripping from the other side. I forget the name, but it's one of those things. And more pads to cover spaces where you don't want to leak out into. So this is really great. It's kind of like a puppy pad, so it absorbs the fluids, a lot of fluids. They're really thick too. These are thicker than the other ones. And, oh yeah, I was wondering when this was gonna come up. Last but not least, the suction cup, or the suction tool, syringe. This is used for when the baby comes out, if you need to, you know, clear out the nose, the mouth, so that it's able to have its airways free to breathe. So yeah, and this is medical grade, so it's not like the ones you get from the store. So, and there you have it. Everything that was in the birthing box, we are doing this completely unassisted, and these are the tools that we are using so far. You may be wondering why I do not have a clamp or scissors to cut the cord, because we are doing a lotus birth, and we also have herbs to protect the placenta as it begins to dry up and fall off. So I'll be right back to show you guys. So yeah, we're not gonna cut the placenta. We have herbs and salts to preserve the placenta for the lotus birth so that it heals. And then we'll blow this up and I'll take some footage of that and put it on